How's it going, guys? This is Sean from VEDEM Racing. Welcome to the morning drive. Today I'm going to give you my initial impression of the Mugen hard racing bushings. But first things first, let's get in alignment. And this is driving straight. This is why we need alignment. Guys, we made it to Eurosport to go get an alignment. One of the best places in Oklahoma City that can give you custom alignments. Oh man. So this is just my initial impressions, even before I even got to the twisties or anything. Well, as much twisties as we have in Oklahoma. But any like curved roads at all, just in a straight line, the car just feels together. Everything feels so tight. With a combination of the Mugen hard racing, or the Mugen hard rubber bushings with the KW V3 coilovers, spoon rigid collars, everything just feels complete. The whole car just feels great. I'm also running innovative diff mounts, the 75A strength, and also the spoon engine and transmission mount. So I mean, the car also the combination of with the Bridgestone RE71s 255s all the way around, the car just feels planted. I honestly, at this point right now, I couldn't even be any more happier with the setup right now. The car just feels together. Before I replaced the bushings, actually, a lot of times I would kind of like go over bumps and stuff, and you'd feel kind of like a clump every now and again. So it kind of have a bounce to it. I didn't know if it was maybe the softer dampening of the KWV3s, or like the softer spring rate, I mean, on the like their original setup. I thought maybe that's what it was for the longest time, but really, I would highly recommend. I know it's a long, tedious job. I mean, if you go with the Mugen setup alone, it's around $800 for the bushings. Not counting labor if you don't do it yourself. I mean, it can easily be a very expensive job, but hands down, the car just feels great. It almost feels brand new. I guess, honestly, at this point, I've replaced all the rubber bushings and mounts and whatnot on the car. So, I mean, pretty much all the replacement rubber is brand new. So it's kind of like a new car in that sort of sense. But pretty new tires. I mean, they have about 500 miles on them now after I went to Arkansas last time for the Boston Mountain Tour. So, I mean, besides that whole thing, I would highly recommend this upgrade, especially if your car has over 100,000 miles. Mine has 107,000 miles on it right now, so it was due for it at this point. Just going over bumps, the car just feels together. It doesn't feel all bouncy and loose and what happened. That 10-hour job yesterday, yes, it was a tedious job, but this was well worth it. I cannot wait to take this out to Hallett next weekend to go test how it feels on the track, where this will really come into play. So what we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to actually, we might hit a little bit of curves on the way back home, just to kind of break them in, do a rundown and see how she feels. But I'll show y'all guys, like, I mean, I can go from side to side. The car just feels with it. It just rebounds back and forth. It just, I mean, there's no play in it. It just feels so tight together. Man. Gosh. The car just feels so great at this current moment. I couldn't be any happier at this point. So guys, that's my initial impression of the Mugen hard racing bushings. Why do I keep on saying that? The Mugen hard rubber bushings. So now, guys, we're gonna do a little rundown over by Lake Stanley Draper. Now, I'm not gonna go too crazy because the cops like to patrol that area a little bit, but we'll get a little bit of driving footage. Hope y'all guys enjoy.
Bye.